Hey.
But your very own hole puncher.
A hole punch?
That's a big hole puncher, like the little one that you have, only much, much better.
Yeah. Now I got 2 hole punchers. Look,
That one's gonna work so much better.
Because it doesn't have even a paper hole.
You can make all kinds of holes with that hole punch.
And makes noise when I wait. And I look at it. Oh, that's so surprising about these things. There's more ice cream stickers sticking out. See?
Oh, gosh, I hope she didn't send you ice cream in there.
No, because it doesn't know. Yeah! Boom, boom. I still love that toy. I still love those toys.
What else is in there? There's so much stuff in that box.
Yeah. I think we can make fluffy balls. Yeah, fluffy balls. Cool, my favorite fluffy balls. I was born with fluffy balls. Fluffy balls. Special fluffy balls.
Wow.
They
You
have
use
fluffy
those.
balls
You
there.
use those for noses or ears or a
Toy.
lot of different stuff.
Look-
Fluffy balls.
Look at all the fluffy balls.
Rainbow palms.
Fluffy balls. Yeah. That's so boring.
Huh?
Oopsie. I didn't mean to do that. Ah, so tasty.
Want me to compact it down for you?
Yeah, but it's so tasty. Good job, Daddy. Twisting it down so the tape won't get up.
A lot more room now.
Ow! Ow! What's in here? I see some squares sticking out. It's mirrors!
Mirrors?
Yeah. Mirrors. There's a lot of mirrors. But they are made out of plastic.
Good idea. The
How do we
reflectors,
take the plastic
mirrors.
I think those are stickers.
stickers? No, they are something to make
Let me see.
them big.
Let me see. Let me see the front. Oh, see, this is the sticky part in the back. Oh, yeah, these are.
Isaac, you still have some frosting on your face.
Frogs, you got
Huh?
salamanders, you got lizards, you got iguanas, you got turtles.
They got
You got a lot of stuff there.
red frogs.
Yep. And a snake.
Snakes are so scary.
Yeah.
How did he get? Oops. You know what? When I'm done unpacking my birthday presents, then I'll put that up.
Okay. You still have a lot of presents to open. And you're doing a fantastic job of cleaning up.
Yeah. This is gonna take a lot of. What is it? Huh? You know what?
What?
It's spiny lines.
Oh,
Spiny lines.
Spiny lines?
Yeah.
oh. Pipe cleaner.
Pipe cleaners.
Huh?
Spiny lines.
Ah,
Spiny lines.
We can do a lot of things with spiny lines.
Yeah, we can make something with spiny lines. They can make our own spiny line picture frame.
A spiny line picture frame, that's a good idea.
Yeah. I still know how to